rapid deployment with copper cabling, our QuickTreX Shield Tactical and Rugged Ethernet assemblies are designed to withstand the harshest of environments. They're also excellent for setting up temporary networks needed for test result gathering, demonstrations, concerts, festivals, or any other outdoor event. They're also excellent for a backup backbone to your critical network. Our tactical and rugged assemblies come on a heavy-duty Schill deployment reels and are designed to be quickly deployed and retrieved. These Schill Reels include a door which houses connectors for safe and secure storage while not in use. The Shield cabling has a continuous flex cycle and tactical-grade industrial jacket which withstands harsh environments and is widely known as the best in cut, abrasion, and moisture resistance. These cable assemblies are double shielded for increased signal isolation to prevent outside interference and offer tighter specifications for eliminating crosstalk and noise. The EtherCon cable connector upgrades a conventional RJ45 connector to an extremely robust lockable solution. Available in Cat5e and Cat6a configurations, the design is molded after the XLR connector with a circular hard metal shell and a locking latch. The cable plug is always male and is designed to fit over a standard RJ45 modular connector. The chassis connector is always female and has the standard form factor of an XLR panel connector. The chassis connector allows for use with both an EtherCon connector and a standard RJ45 plug. This configuration is available in all lengths and the deployable reel is optional. We also offer tactical and deployable fiber optic assemblies in string counts of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 in OM3 and single mode fiber. We also offer OpticalCon tactical assemblies in 2-channel, 4-channel, and MTP in OM3 and single mode fiber. Visit our website for more information about these great products.